Dream Come True 4-pack Faucet Extender. Sink Extender by Dream Come True is one of the best sellers among baby bathroom safety products. Help kids to wash hand, redirect and bring the water closer to the front of the sink. Make safer and easier for kids to wash hands without having to stand up on stool. Fun and safe. The manufacturer's fun design makes hand washing so fun for your kids. The extender allows water falls gently on hand, feeling soft to touch. Great items to promote good hygiene at your home. Super easy to install, made of flexible plastics that fits most bathroom faucets. It is easy to install, remove and clean. Even dishwasher safe. Premium quality, they are BPA, PVC and phthalate free. No worries about chemical or residual harming your kids. Lifetime warranty, great inexpensive solution to sink faucet. If you are not satisfied, the manufacturer offer 100% refund. No risk. Item weight 512 ounces. Dimensions 79352 inches. Material type plastic.